true.
Yeah.
Of course it's true. Okay.
True.
So everybody wants to know exactly what happened. And this is the juice after all.
Okay.
So this is like probably one of the few opportunities I'm going to get to ask you.
Yeah.
Yes. So for me, I think the very first time I kind of, properly heard about you was when I heard this. Yvonne Nelson, I have your medicine. Yvonne Nelson.
Oh God.
So Yanya.
Yeah.
Give me the juice of that.
Okay. So Iyanya was very special, and we had a thing, but I guess it was all a joke. He had it all planned out. He knew what he was looking for, and I guess he had it, or he got it, and he had a lot of girls, I guess, on his table, and